Is it good? Is it great?
Is this yummy? All finished? All done?
Toby, otherwise known as Handsome Toby.
Toby, can I give you a kiss? Kiss for mommy? Mwah. Is it good? Was it yummy? Teresa?
Misha.
Oh, Misha? You want to see Misha? You want to go see cousin Misha?
Yeah.
Oh. Can you say Misha? Shh. It's okay, she's awake. You want to see Misha?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you say Misha? She's not sleeping, is she?
We will see.
Oh, she is sleeping.
Yeah.
Toby saying Misha. I thought he said Misha. And then he said shh. Toby saying Misha and he's going shh.
Yeah.
Ryan, do you see Misha? You want to see little baby?
I love it. So excited.
Did you
say
baby?
baby?
Did you just hear that?
Baby.
He said baby for the first time.
Oh.
You see the baby?
Baby.
Is she sleeping?
Toby, my.
Can you
Yeah.
see? Look what Jody gave me. Oh, that's such a nice present.
Isn't it great for Mother's Day?
These are both
Wow.
of my birthdays and these are both of Toby's. Come on.
Here, Teddy.
All four of these are Toby's birthday.
Yes.
Toby, can you see